Hey, welcome back to part 2 of how to install a door stopper. If you were with us last time, you'll see that we were able to successfully uninstall the broken door stopper, and now we're going to be installing the new one. So basically, we have two parts. We have the part that screws into the wall, and then we have the door stopper that attaches here. So I'm actually using the same hole as where the previous door stopper was, because the screw was perfectly intact. It's just, it broke away from the base. So, and this is as far as I can get it in just by using my hands. And so if you have yourself a socket set, or you could probably use a small wrench, but this is looking like maybe maybe like a 5/16 here. So I'm gonna see if that fits on there. Yep, and sure enough, I got it. You can either use your socket set. I have a little screwdriver attachment here. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten that in to the wall until it's flush. And that's going in there nice and tight, so that's gonna be good. Make it nice and stable. All right. And then we're simply gonna slip this on there, like so. And we got ourselves a door stopper. All right, so we are back in business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe right there, and we'll see you next time.